Gone are the days of scribbling in leather-bound notebooks or furiously typing on a typewriter. Today, we have many note-taking apps at our fingertips, each promising to revolutionize how we capture and organize information. However, the secret to effective note-taking lies in the software as well as your workflow. So today, I'm making an effort to help you understand the magic is in the process, not the tool of note-taking. Before we delve into the specific workflows and applications, let's first understand why the workflow is the cornerstone of effective note-taking. First and foremost is the consistency and the organization. A well-defined workflow ensures consistency in capturing and organizing your notes. It eliminates the chaos that can arise when you use various apps or methods haphazardly. With a structured approach, finding and reviewing your notes becomes more efficient. An effective workflow can help you actively engage with your recording material. When you pay attention to taking notes, you are more likely to remember and understand the information, making your note-taking a valuable learning tool. A good workflow can adapt to different types of information and note-taking scenarios. Whether you are jotting down meeting minutes, researching for a project, or simply brainstorming ideas, a well-established workflow can accommodate diverse needs. While apps may come and go, a robust note-taking workflow endures. When you prioritize the process over the tool, you ensure that your notes remain accessible and valuable for years, regardless of software updates or changes. Now that we understand the importance of a well-structured workflow, let's explore different options in the strategies that can help you optimize your note-taking process. And the first one is the Cornell Method. Cornell Method is a classic note-taking system that divides your note page into three sections. Firstly, a narrow left column for cues and keywords, a wider right column for detailed notes, and a summary section at the bottom. This method encourages active listening and summarization during note-taking sessions. Some of the advantages of this kind of note-taking system is number one, it promotes active engagement during lectures or meetings. It also simplifies the process of reviewing and summarizing information. And thirdly, it is very effective for structured learning environments. Some cons for this kind of note-taking system is that it may be suitable for some types of note-taking, such as brainstorming or creative sessions. Another downside of Cornell note-taking system is that creating the layout for this requires a setup on paper or a digital note-taking app. Note-taking and knowledge management can be streamlined with the Zettelkasten method. It involves creating small individual notes, or Zettels, for each piece of information and linking them together. This method is extremely beneficial for research and knowledge organization. Some of the pros are that it facilitates the creation of network of interconnected ideas. It promotes deep thinking and synthesis of information. It also helps you discover new insights by uncovering unexpected connections. Some of the cons are that it can be time-consuming to create as well as maintain. It also requires discipline to link and categorize notes consistently. A digital folder hierarchy can be an excellent choice for those who prefer a more structured and organized approach. This workflow involves creating a clear folder structure on your computer or cloud storage to categorize and store digital notes, documents, as well as resources. It's easy to implement and adapt. It's an ideal thing for organizing a wide range of digital sources, including documents, PDFs, as well as images. It allows for efficient retrieval of information. Some of the cons for this kind of methodology of note-taking is that it may be less conducive to creative or free-form note-taking. Also, it can become complex if the folder structure is flexible. Bullet Journal combines note-taking with task management and personal organization. It's a flexible and creative approach that uses symbols, lists, and logs to capture notes, tasks, events, and ideas in a physical journal or a digital app. Some of the advantages are that it encourages creativity and personalization. It combines note taking with task management also and making it a versatile system. This kind of system is highly adaptable to individual preferences and needs. On the contrary, it requires consistent upkeep and may only be suitable for some. It may not be ideal for extensive note taking in professional or academic contexts. So, friends, now that we have explored various note taking workflows, it's important to note that the right tools can enhance your chosen workflow. However, remember that the workflow itself is the foundation. Here are some popular note taking apps and tools that can complement your workflow. Evernote is a versatile note taking app that supports various workflows. Evernote is known for its powerful search capabilities, making finding notes in your digital archive easy. OneNote, Microsoft's note-taking app, is excellent for users who prefer a digital notebook-style interface. It integrates seamlessly with other Microsoft Office apps also. Notion offers a flexible workspace that combines notes, tasks, databases, and more. It's highly customizable, making it suitable for various workflows. Rome Research is designed with the Zettelkasten method in mind, and it excels at creating interconnected notes and fostering creative thinking. Obsidian, another note-taking app inspired by the Zettelkasten method, is known for its robust thinking capabilities and markdown support. Well, let's talk about the physical notebooks now. Sometimes pen and paper are the best tools for the job. Traditional notebooks can be an excellent choice for those who enjoy the tactile writing experience. Markdown editors like Typora or Visual Studio Code with markdown extensions can be ideal for plain text note-taking with formatting options. So finally, I would like to wrap up this video. But before I do that, I wanted to mention that try to experiment with different workflows and tools to find what works best for you. Remember that the magic is not in the apps, but in using them to capture, organize, and leverage your knowledge and ideas. By prioritizing your note-taking workflow, you will unlock the full potential of this timeless skill in the digital age. Thanks a lot for visiting NextGen Digital. Feel free to subscribe and like this video and support me so that I can come back with some more meaningful content for you.